Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for the daily videos. The sartorius muscle is the longest muscle in the human body. Together with the quadriceps femoris, it belongs to the anterior or extensor muscles of the thigh. Origin: anterior superior iliac spine. Insertion: proximal end of the tibia below medial condyle via pes anserinus. Innervation: femoral nerve L2 to L3 that supply proximal third, branches of femoral artery, deep femoral artery, artery of quadriceps, lateral circumflex femoral artery, middle third, branches of femoral artery, distal third, branches of femoral and descending genicular arteries. Function: hip joint, thigh flexion, thigh abduction, thigh external rotation, knee joint, leg flexion, leg internal rotation. Clinical relations: the pes anserinus bursa located at the insertion of sartorius muscle can become inflamed, which is known as pes anserinus bursitis when chronically overstrained, example like when jogging or breaststroking, etc. Thank you all. Have a nice day.